Okay, the FXR is back. We're going to do a little plug check. Add some more oil to it, clean the oil, flush the oil maybe. Maybe drain the oil and change it. There you go. So you've got about 25 miles on it, we're guessing maybe now.
About that.
So we'll call it 30. Speedo don't work. Typical Harley. So it runs good so far. No oil leaks yet except that one right there.
That's the
Right there. It's black. Must be motor oil. Yeah, that's pretty lean.
yeah.
I'm thinking that might be too lean for
Too lean.
for 25, 30 miles. Yeah. Yeah, that's for maximum power. That's for sure. That's right what it should be for maximum power. And his shockingly his bolt fell out that was in here that was loose. That he said was fine.
It's fine. It's good.
It's fine now. It's extra fine now. So does the other plug look the same probably?
Find out.
So you're definitely gonna need to pop that needle up a little bit. And we got to see where your idle mixture screw wants to be at these days.
Yeah.
It's definitely running clean. So nothing else is loosened up yet that we know of.
Yeah.
Oh, that's that transmission leak we got from the cable.
Yeah, I need to sort that cable out.
Yeah. There's a hole rubbed in the cable down here for the bracket.
I need to sort that out before I put the trap
So the transmission will drain, goes into the cable, and it just rips out.
Just a little bit. It's still pretty lean.
Oh yeah, it's way better. Looks like a fuel injected bike.
Same as last time. The rear cylinder much leaner.
Yeah,
Lot.
that's common for them to be different. So now you got 2-cylinder motor with only one carburetor. That fires unevenly. Yeah, so like I said, you probably bump up the that clip a little, 1 notch, and it'll probably clean it up pretty good. Put the throttle sticking it all on you and being turned?
No.
Doesn't seem to. Seems to be returning correctly. We didn't check that either once we got it off the rack. Brakes all working good, I'm assuming.
Brakes are good. I'm going to blade them as well just to make sure. Put some fresh fluid in there. Looks like it's off the...
We got more spars.
It's came out. It's out of here.
Yep. Yep.
Maybe I'll find my
That nut was too small for that. We found this nut laying out here too.
No, that wasn't on there.
You got to put a little Loctite on this when you put it back in.
Yeah.
So
That's probably why it was so high. It just keeps walking itself out.
yeah, well, it wasn't much drag on it, that was for sure. They never had anything on them stock, so I don't know why it's loose.
Yeah.
We'll put a little Loctite on there and we'll adjust it back down to shut the thing off. That'll make the plugs run cleaner when we back off the fuel mixture a little bit there, the accelerator pump. You're at maximum stroke right now.
Yeah.
We don't want that much. So, all right, so all looks good. All right, well, I'm gonna put a little Loctite on that. We'll be right back.